Today, I pick up a brand new motorcycle. This is essentially my dream motorcycle, achievable dream motorcycle, and it's an hour away, so I need to go get a trailer and head up to Larson Cycle in Cambridge, Minnesota. So, let's go get it. I'm at the U-Haul where I was going to pick up the motorcycle trailer, and I get here and the fire alarms are going off. So fire trucks just showed up. I'm not sure if it's an actual fire. Hopefully it's just a false alarm, but looks like I'm gonna hang out here for a little while until they get this sorted out. All right, we are at the other U-Haul location. Let's hope they have what I need so we can get this show on the road. We are finally off with a U-Haul trailer. I'm in a rented Ford Maverick. I regret selling my Silverado last spring, but this is what we got.
Take the second exit and stay on 202nd Street West, Dakota County 50 West.
It's kind of morning rush hour, but hopefully that won't be too bad. And we'll check in with you at the dealer. Made it through the cities, and about 45 minutes to go. I'm actually quite surprised at this little Ford Maverick. Again, this is not my truck, but it's a really smooth ride. It's really pretty comfortable. So. Alright, cheers. Should come out with a motorcycle. Well guys, there she is. Gosh, she looks good. Alright, we're not going to stay here long. We'll get her strapped in, get her home. Just got home finally and get this thing unloaded, put in the garage. Alright, straps did just fine for the hour and 20-minute trip. Let's get her unloaded. Time for a quick first ride impression on the new bike before the sun sets. Ride mode street. Let's try that. Oh my gosh. Feels 80 pounds lighter than that bike. So much lighter. Oh, already I'm in love. Oh. It's funny, the ergonomics feel a little bit more cramped on it, but not bad though. Okay, we are in break-in period, so I'm not going to go above 6,500 RPMs. Shift's better, shift's really smooth. Throttle response really smooth. Oh yeah, it's like buttery smooth compared to the Ibex. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this. This thing is so good. Oh. This bike is awesome, you guys. It is way more refined than the Ibex. I can tell you that right off the bat. I'm comparing this a lot to the Ibex, yes, but that's my primary bike, so it's really all I have to compare it with right now. The stance ergonomics, I feel slightly more kind of sport bike-ish. Oh, it's so much more refined in the shifts and that throttle. Oh gosh, you guys, I cannot describe how much better this feels. It feels a little bit more harsh, not as plush as the Ibex. The Ibex is really plush. It's a plush ride, which is good for, you know, kind of highway stuff. Okay, definitely a lot more wind on the helmet. I'll have to get probably a little clip on for that. But we're going 60. It feels great. Yeah, this feels really good. Oh, this thing is buttery smooth, you guys. The Ibex is still at 4,000, almost 5,000 miles. Has some kind of herky-jerkiness to it. Okay, the blinkers I don't think turn off automatically. I'll have to look into that. They do on my Ibex. So far it hasn't done this. Yeah, we're only 3 miles, you guys. This is brand new first impressions. Oh, I love it. I'm going, guys, I'm not doing anything. I'm just cruising and I'm giggling. I absolutely love this. I am so happy right now. This is my dream bike. This is exactly what I want. I gotta figure out something with that windshield. I have way more wind noise in the helmet than I'm used to. Let's try the cruise control. Let's see. I don't know how to use the cruise control yet, so we'll have to try that later. Oh, there we go. On and then set. Look at that. Oh, it's so balanced. I cannot do this with the Ibex, you guys. The Ibex wants to veer right all the time. This thing is so well balanced. Okay, how do I get rid of? Okay. Oh, look at that. Forward throttle and cancels the cruise. That's another thing I don't have. Absolutely loving this, guys. 100% loving this decision. Guys, the throttle is so smooth. Dude, the Ibex has always got a little bit of a herky-jerkiness to it. It always has a little bit of just an unrefinement to it. This is completely different. This is so refined. It's smooth. There's no herky-jerkiness. It doesn't matter what gear I'm in or what RPM I'm in. Oh gosh, I love this thing. Alright, so it feels a little tighter on turn-in. Yeah, just a little stiffer, but I'm okay with that. I'm okay. I got brand new tires too, you guys, so they haven't really been scrubbed in. Oh, it's so good. Feels so good. Just so locked in. I love it. I am loving this bike. First impressions are yes, yes, yes. This bike is great. So I did the tech package, so I should have the quick shifter and all of that. I know there's a quick shifter portion in the menu, so I wonder if that needs to be turned on. I don't know. Oh yeah, quick shifter. Oh, butter. 10 times better than the Ibex, you guys. This bike is 10 times better than the Ibex. I am sorry, Ibex. I love you. You've been great to me, but I have moved on. I have moved on. Gosh, it blows me away that this bike is built in the same factory, the same people that built my bike, and how different it is. It shares the same engine, a lot of the same components, but it literally feels completely different. 100% different. Woo-hoo-hoo! It feels way more like a sport bike too. Way more sporty. I don't want to get too carried away since this is brand new. We're in the break-in period, and now I've already hit, I've already revved her out pretty good. Guys, what a bike. What a bike. All right, I want to pick this up tomorrow, then get some stuff out of the garage, and we'll talk about these two bikes. First impressions, so stoked on this bike. Absolutely love it. And sorry, girl, it's like 10 times better than this. I mean, it's so good. Again, I haven't ridden that many bikes, so maybe other people, if they got on this after their bike, could be like, yeah, it's good. But I mean, compared to this, just way more refined. It's just fun factor. It's just way more. All right, guys, we're gonna end it here for now, and we'll pick it back up tomorrow. Well, here it is, 2024 KTM 790 Adventure. I am super stoked on this bike, guys. I'm really excited to get this out. It is towards the end of season in Minnesota, so I need to get as many rides in as possible before it gets too cold and the snow flies. So come back for more. There's gonna be videos comparing this bike to the CF Moto Ibex behind it. There's some similarities there, and we're gonna dive into that and how different these bikes actually are. So again, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. Please leave me a comment on what you think of the bike, what you think of my decision there. And yeah, I hope you guys come back for more. Thanks. Bye.